Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best Ninja blender. So let's get started. Number 7. Ninja Professional Blender. When smoothies are regularly on the menu, this blender can handle them as single servings or by the pitcher. This set includes two 16-ounce single-serve cups with to-go lids that are great when one person prefers a fruit smoothie while the other wants their greens. The 72-ounce pitcher is just what you need when making drinks for the whole family. This blender has an 1100-watt motor and 6 blades that can handle crushing ice as well as blending smoothies, cocktails, and sauces. Simple to operate. This has 3 speeds and a pulse button for easy operation. Number 6. Ninja Nutri Pro Compact. Possibly the most simple of the Ninja blenders, this compact unit doesn't have any buttons. Just attach a cup and press down to blend. The blending stops when you release it, so pulsing ingredients is just as simple and easily controllable. This comes with a 24-ounce cup and an 18-ounce cup along with 2 sip and seal lids that let you take your drink on the road. Since this doesn't come with multiple accessories, this will take less space to store. Yet you have a spare cup so you can toss one in the dishwasher and still have a clean one that's ready to use. The cups and their accessories are all dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 5. Ninja BN801. This blender system does it all, and more. Of course, it crushes ice and makes smoothies, milkshakes, and blended drinks. But the powerful 1400 watts of peak power means it can crush ice and frozen fruits with ease. The 72-ounce pitcher can hold a maximum of 64 ounces of liquids, which is more than enough for drinks for the family. When it's time for single morning smoothies, this comes with 2 24-ounce single-serve containers with spout lids that are perfect for making smoothies to take on the go. What makes this blender even more essential in the kitchen is the 64-ounce processor bowl. So there's no need for a separate food processor taking space on the counter. The bowl can be used for chopping vegetables for salsa, for making purees, and even for kneading up to 2 pounds of bread dough using the included dough blade. Number 4. Ninja Professional 72. Sometimes you really don't want a bunch of accessories that need to be stored. And that's where this blender really shines. There's no need to keep track of extra cups, jars, lids, or blades. Since this is simply a blender with a single 72-ounce jar that can handle a maximum of 64 ounces of liquids. The blender has 1000 watts of power for ice crushing and blending frozen foods with ease. The buttons are easy and intuitive, with low, medium, and high speeds along with a pulse button for perfect control of the blending process. Number 3. Ninja Foodie HB152. The 800-watt heating element in this blender means it can blend and heat foods. So it's perfect for smoothly pureed soups and frothy hot drinks, as well as for cold blending. The 1400-watt peak power motor can crush ice with ease or make silky smooth cold drinks from your favorite fruits and greens. This blender has 12 different Auto IQ programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, extracting, ice cream, sautéing, hearty soups, dips and sauce, smooth soups, and infusing mixes, water, and cocktails. It also has manual controls for blending, cooking, and pulsing, and low, medium, and high speeds. Not only can it heat foods, but it can also keep food warm for serving. This has a 64-ounce glass pitcher that can accommodate a maximum of 56 ounces of cold liquids for blending. Number 2. Ninja Master QB1004. Great for small kitchens that don't have counter space for a full-size blender and food processor. This handy blender can handle everything from frozen blending to food prep for meals. It has a 48-ounce pitcher that's designed for blending and mixing tasks, a 40-ounce bowl for food processing tasks like making salsas, sauces, and smooth purees, and a 16-ounce chopper bowl that can chop onions, celery, and more for soups, stews, and salads. All of the containers have non-slip bases so they won't wander on the counter during blending. 2 storage lids are included, so food can be prepped ahead and stored in the refrigerator until it's needed. Number 1. Ninja Nutri Ninja Personal. The large 72-ounce pitcher that comes with this blender is great for blending morning smoothies for the whole family. If people have different preferences, you can choose to use the 3 Nutri Ninja cups with their sip and seal lids to take your beverage on the go, whether you're headed to school, work, or the backyard. The cups are in 3 different sizes: 18 ounces, 24 ounces, and 32 ounces. This blender features Ninja's Auto IQ technology with the following programs: blending, ultra blending, pureeing, pulsing, or making smoothies and frozen drinks. You can also choose to blend manually at low, medium, or high speed. For easy cleaning, all of the attachments are dishwasher safe, so you'll be ready for tomorrow's breakfast with no fuss.